Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, yep, stay away. Stay away. Back. 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 Alright, so this thing was loose because the screw is loose and I don't want to fix it, so I just put a piece of plastic here to hold that. Everybody loves staring at me. Alright everybody, welcome to the Devil's Gate here outside Tupiza. It's been a nice off-road adventure for about half an hour. The view is pretty spectacular. It's like this wall that just got kind of cut up this way, and there's this two pieces in the middle missing, so it kind of makes for a very kind of nice picture. I think it's something you should climb. Drone shot from there is just too good not to try. Kind of sketchy. Yeah, I think it's as far as I'm gonna go. Yeah, so climbing it all the way down to the end over there, which was what I was initially gonna do, seems like a stupid idea now. Look, I'm pretty sure if I kick this hard enough, I can break it. Everybody seems to stop here to pick up rations because the road from here to Uyuni is pretty long. Pretty much nothing, so everybody stocks up here. Oh, look at the puppy. Hey everybody, welcome to day 6 here in Bolivia. Today I am going from the city of Tupiza all the way to Uyuni, and I'm taking a not so common road. Everybody warned me about it, telling me it was really bad, but look at it, it's really not that bad. And so today my dreams come true after about 3 years of returning to the salt flat of Bolivia called the Uyuni Salt Flat. Right now it's the rainy season, so it should be full of water, which actually creates the world's largest mirror. All right, so it's only an hour and a half to wait for them to fix this road. And yeah, there's a lot of work going on. I would go to the side of it, but there's no room for the motorcycle. I think they did that on purpose so we don't do that. Yeah, everybody's waiting on the hill here. Everybody's got their cars parked down there. Everybody's kind of walking up to see what's going on. My goodness, there's like a great migration going on here. Everybody's just walking by foot to get to the other side. All right, so what do you do when you got an hour and a half to kill? You drone, that's what you do. I got nothing else to do, right? You guys ready to see what an idiot I am? Well, I was flying the drone here and low battery warning, and I wasn't patient enough, and I kept trying to fly it till the very last second, and it just came down and it crashed into the bushes. It usually wouldn't be that bad, but getting to it's going to be a nightmare because I'll show you. I crashed my drone one day before I get to the most amazing place in the world for a drone. God, what an idiot. Stupid. I had no patience. Look at the thorns on these things. The drone is in there. Getting to it, nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Even then, it's pricking through my jacket. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah, it's pricking through my jacket. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Right in the butt. Oh, it got me right in the butt. Oh! Oh! I think the damage is minimal. There's a blade over there. You can't get to it, so I'm gonna have to sacrifice it and just say goodbye to it. Look at the size of these! I cannot express how sharp these things are. Look at them. So sharp. It's in the bone. It's in the bone. Ah! Darn you trees! I have retrieved the drone. from what I would like to call the abyss of hell as far as needles is concerned. The question is it still fly? It's so hot, I can't be wearing these, so I gotta change back to the very thin pants I got. There's always a pain in the butt in the middle of the road. Never know who's gonna drive by. I am in my underwear in the middle of Bolivia. Didn't think this was gonna be today's day. Alright. So I was driving and I heard a big thump. There's a huge speed bump over there. There's no sign for the speed bump, but just like, we're gonna put a speed bump here just for the heck of it. Silly Bolivia. Big water bottle container I had on my bike that just flew off. It hit me in the head and it bounced off. So I stopped, pulled over, had a snack, and I'm gonna pick up my water. I'm 13,000 feet above sea level in a very dry and arid environment. So lots of water is important. All right, so you guys seen a lot of these videos so far of my travel stuff through South America. I want to hear what you guys think about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you want to see more of? What do you want to see less of? So I'm trying to basically cater to see what the majority of my subscribers like to watch. Like the motocam stuff? Do you like off the bike stuff? Do you like the drone stuff? I want to hear what you guys want to see more of, because you guys are my subscribers. You guys are the ones that are with me on this journey. So I want to hear what you guys want to watch more. So if you can, drop me a comment on this video. If there's a certain type of video that you like, send me a link to that one. So I just want to hear from you guys. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Alright, so I was driving and these poor people have a flat tire, and I offered to help, make sure they got all the tools, and they said yes. So gotta be careful on these roads. I just ordered a huge thing of apple juice by accident. It's really weird, this apple juice comes in this like beer looking bottle. So today on the menu we have fried chicken. If there's one thing you can find all over the world, it's fried stuff. There's not much to choose from in this town. It's not the healthiest option, but what are you gonna do? Every time I park the bike outside, everybody walks by and checks it out. They're all very curious of who is it. I think it's the first time my entire trip where I've actually really felt lonely. Like it's so desolate here. I've been riding roads by myself for so long. The loneliness starts to get to you after a while. Fortunately, these types of trips you can't do with most people. We're fortunate that I've been able to sacrifice what I have to be able to do this. It's not easy. Look at that cute little girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, yep, stay away. Stay away. Back. 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 Back away! See, the problem with this dogs is that they'll actually bite my legs if I don't kick them. Crazy dogs. How's that for an amazing view, huh? Awesome, I love it. Well, here I am taking another break on the side of the road, and I've realized that this helmet makes me look like an astronaut. Check it out. I think that's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I think I'm going to be known as the terrestrial astronaut. That's going to be my new name. Anyway, almost to Uyuni, which is so exciting. From the horizon, I've been able to actually see the reflection of the water, and it's so amazing. So excited for that. Like that's like the top thing of this trip. Found a place to stay here in Uyuni, and it's the only place that really had motorcycle parking. I'm going to share with you my rinky-dinky little room. Here it is. The best room money can buy here in Uyuni. Yeah, it's pretty depressing. It's pretty weird. That's Uyuni. Alright, so this is the Salar of Uyuni. It's the world's largest salt flat in Bolivia. Today's a lot of wind on the water, so you can't really get that mirror effect that actually exists. gonna enjoy it for now, and tomorrow I'm actually gonna try to drive into the middle of the salt flat, which with the motorcycle is not gonna be easy. Thanks for joining me today. See you tomorrow.